9 kitchen brands sit on shelves across Kmart, Coles, Bunnings, and Harvey Norman right now. 7 of them carry documented recall histories, disguised foreign ownership, or reliability problems that cost Australian families hundreds in replacements and repairs. 2 actually deliver on their promises. Using ACCC recall data, choice test results, and verified ownership records, we are delivering a verdict on each one, starting with the brands you should avoid. In the 7th place, Anko, Kmart's private label brand, faces serious questions about product safety and long-term value. In May 2024, Kmart was forced to recall its Home & Co 2-slice stainless steel toaster after the Australian Competition and Consumer Commission identified a faulty switch that could leave the heating element live even with the lever raised, creating a direct risk of electric shock at household voltage. Social media posts from affected customers describe incidents of sparking and sudden failure, pointing to a real hazard in everyday use. The underlying issue goes beyond a single recall. Anko's business model relies on rotating overseas contract manufacturers, with no consistent supply chain or clear record of factory standards. Once a model is discontinued, owners are left without access to spare parts or an authorized repair pathway. Kmart's only remedy is a store return and refund, with no support for repairs or replacement parts after the 2-year limited warranty expires. The absence of a dedicated service network means that, for many families, a simple appliance failure can lead to full replacement costs rather than repair. With a documented recall for electrical hazard, a supply chain that obscures accountability, and no long-term repair options, Anko cannot be recommended for Australian kitchens. In the 6th place, Russell Hobbs carries a documented history of product recalls and a troubling lack of long-term support for Australian consumers. In September 2024, a fire risk recall was issued for the Russell Hobbs travel kettle model 14178 after safety regulators found that a design fault could cause the appliance to overheat and potentially ignite. This was not an isolated incident. United Kingdom safety authorities have listed 4 separate Russell Hobbs recalls since 2007, covering a range of electrical hazards. The brand's ownership by Spectrum Brands, a United States-based conglomerate, means local accountability is limited and after-sales support is minimal. Once a model is withdrawn from the market, spare parts are typically discontinued after 2 years, leaving owners with few options for repair. The standard warranty on Russell Hobbs appliances sold in Australia is just 12 months, and there is no dedicated Australian service centre. Repairs, when possible, often rely on independent technicians sourcing parts from overseas, resulting in long wait times and high costs. For families, this translates to a real risk of fire, a short usable lifespan, and the likelihood of facing full replacement costs for what should be a minor repair. The combination of fire risk recalls, limited spare parts availability, and a lack of local service makes Russell Hobbs a brand to avoid for Australian kitchens. In the 5th place, Sunbeam stands as a cautionary tale for Australian households seeking lasting value in kitchen appliances. The brand operates under the ownership of Newell Brands, a US-based multinational that acquired Sunbeam in 2016 as part of a major cost-cutting consolidation. While Sunbeam has not faced a recent ACCC-listed safety recall for kitchen appliances, its reputation has shifted in recent years due to concerns over product longevity and after-sales support. Independent testing by choice. Australia found that Sunbeam's air fryers and toasters deliver only moderate durability, with reported heating element failures surfacing in accelerated life tests. Spare parts for Sunbeam appliances typically become unavailable just 3 years after a model is discontinued, leaving owners with few repair options when breakdowns occur. The standard warranty for Sunbeam products in Australia is limited to 12 months, after which consumers are often directed to independent repairers or left to replace the appliance entirely. This lack of a robust spare parts network and short warranty period exposes families to the risk of early failure and recurring replacement costs, despite the brand's long-standing presence on retailer shelves. The verdict? Sunbeam's combination of cost-focused multinational ownership, limited parts support, and modest reliability scores makes it a poor choice for Australians who expect their appliances to last. In the fourth place, Kambrook presents a familiar set of risks for Australian households seeking dependable kitchen appliances. Owned by Newell Brands, the same United States conglomerate behind Sunbeam, Kambrook operates under a model that prioritises cost efficiency over long-term support. While the brand has not faced a recent recall listed by the Australian Competition and Consumer Commission for kitchen appliances, the underlying problems are structural. Kambrook does not maintain a dedicated Australian spare parts catalogue, and warranty coverage is typically limited to 12 months. Once a product is discontinued, access to replacement parts becomes scarce, effectively ending any realistic prospect of repair. This approach exposes consumers to the risk of early obsolescence when a simple fault, like a failed heating element or a worn-out switch, can render the entire appliance unusable. Without a robust service network or parts availability, even minor breakdowns often mean full replacement at the owner's expense. The cost-focused multinational ownership, short warranty period, and absence of a long-term repair pathway place Kambrook in the same category as other brands that fail to deliver lasting value. The verdict? For families prioritising durability and serviceability, Kambrook remains a brand to approach with caution. In third place, Philips Domestic Appliances, now marketed as Versuni, presents a cautionary case of shifting ownership and uncertain after-sales support. In March 2021, Philips sold its entire domestic appliances division to Hillhouse Capital, a private equity firm based in China, for €3.7 billion. This transaction included a 15-year licensing agreement that allows the Philips name to remain on products, even though the original Dutch company no longer controls the manufacturing or service standards. Since the sale, Australian customers have reported a noticeable reduction in local service options. The official Versuni website now directs consumers to third-party retailers for replacement parts, and there is no dedicated Australian parts portal or national service centre. Warranty coverage is limited to 2 years, and once that period ends, sourcing genuine replacement components becomes difficult. While there have been no documented ACCC safety recalls for Philips or Versuni kitchen appliances between 2020 and 2024, the lack of a robust local support network exposes owners to the risk of early obsolescence. Without clear spare parts availability or a strong repair pathway, appliances that once carried a reputation for reliability may now face a shorter usable lifespan. The verdict? Philips Domestic Appliances, under private equity ownership and with diminished after-sales support, can no longer be recommended as a dependable choice for Australian kitchens. Across all 9 brands, one pattern stands out. Most kitchen appliances sold in Australia are built to be replaced, not repaired. Hidden ownership, poor after-sales support, and misleading branding shift the real cost to families. In this market, informed choices aren't optional. They protect your home.